Bilt members can link their Rakuten account and have their quarterly Rakuten cashback automatically converted into Bilt Points. Here's how to set it up. Open the Bilt app or website and head to the Rewards tab. Go to the Everyday Rewards section, then find the Rakuten offer. If you don't already have a Rakuten account, no problem. Just tap Get Started. We'll create a new Rakuten account using the same email associated with your Bilt account. You'll get an email from Rakuten asking you to set your password. Once that's done, review the details and tap Continue. That's it. Your new Rakuten account is now linked automatically to Bilt. If you already have a Rakuten account, simply tap Link Account. Your Rakuten account will be connected to your Bilt profile using the same email associated with your Bilt account. Review the details and tap Continue. Once your accounts are linked, you can start shopping by tapping participating stores in the Bilt app or by browsing on the Rakuten website, app, or Chrome extension. Start earning more points with your everyday shopping just by linking your Rakuten account to Bilt.